That's your best friend on the way down.
Where is my best friend?
Your steps, but this is for better traction.
Going down.
Ready? There you go. Now you can get in the view on the way down the steps.
We're going down the steps again.
Watch your step and don't trip, please.
So how far we can go? We're going back. How many steps can we?
I've never counted. Probably about
One?
at least 40.
Cut tayo. Climbing on the cliff. Hi there.
Hello. Come on. Keep going. Keep climbing down. It's called an action cliff. In the moment.
In the moment. Yeah, we better go back lab na kay sundown.
That's why we're here. Now you have two ways you can go. You can go the stairs, which is safe. You can go this way,
No.
which is a little bit more challenging.
Let's go to the step.
Yeah, we'll go this way.
Going down, 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 down.